There is something new this year. We didn't want to have boring speeches, and we wanted to engage with the people that work here and make ever better cars for all of the continents of Africa.
Team GR, stay this way. Team CFO, come with me.
Yeah.
Let's check this spare wheel.
So,
Team CFO mobility, Team GR.
ready?
3, 2, 1, go! Yeah! Messi. With me? Go. The machines are running. Oh! Keep going, keep going. What's the time on the clock? 16 seconds. And we're counting. Who's stuck where? Keep going, keep going. Yeah. Hi. Push it. Let's push it. Push it. Stop. 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 We look like we have a wheel. One critical thing. They will come. So, our spare wheel. Let's check our spare wheel. Is your spare wheel okay? Alright. Team GR wants to redeem the fence. Well done.
There we go.
Yeah! Afraid of you. Come pick one. Yeah! Who's like? Yes. There you go. Seconds. Who's your team? Team CMK. 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 Team CMK. Team GR. Go. Yeah. GR is on it. There you go. Push it, push it, push it. Scale it. Scale it up. Here is almost there. Push it. Kalle is almost there. Push it. Here. CFO. Who's winning? Who's winning? Who's winning? Stop. 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 Let's stop. Stop. Hand clap to the competitors. It's good?
Yeah, looks good, looks perfect.
How's your spare wheel? It only took us 52 seconds. Team CFO.
The shifts with your speed, that means we have 2 more, absolutely. We're going to get them. We'll have 4, absolutely.
All right, thank you very much. All right, let's go.